Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saad Can Education Services. Assalamu alaikum. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine and safe. I'm your teacher. Dear kids, take out your English copy. Dear kids, open page number 144. Write down date here and mention HW here. Match the sounds with picture. These are sounds and these are pictures. Now read sound. Repeat after me. A, P. Once again. A, P. Okay, now name of the pictures. Onion, parrot, mat, net. Once again, repeat after me. Onion, parrot, mat, net. Okay, now you have to match correct sound with correct picture. M match with onion, no. Match with parrot, no. Match with mat, yes. Okay, now the second sound, match with onion, no. Match with parrot, no. Match with mat, no. Match with net, yes. You have to match sound with net. Okay, now the third sound, A. A match with onion, yes, onion. Okay, now the last one, P. P match with onion, no. P match with parrot, yes. You have to match P with parrot. Okay, dear kids, do this work neat and clean and do the color in the pictures. Okay, dear kids, open page number 145. Write down date here and HW here. Write. Here you have to write by yourself. Put your pencil on the dot. Okay, first of all, read with me. A, P. Now write. Put your pencil on the dot. Come down. Go up. Is bumpy and bumpy. Okay, now put your pencil on the dot on the second line. Come down. Stop on the third line. Go up. Is bumpy. Put your pencils on the dot. A is round and round. Okay, put your pencil on the dot. Come down and down. Make a round. P. Once again, put your pencil on the dot on the second line. Come down. Stop on the third line. Go up. Is bumpy and bumpy. Okay, put your pencil on the dot, come down, stop on the third line, go up, is bumpy. Okay, put your pencil on the dot, on the second line, is round and round. Write between two lines, these four sounds, write between two lines. Okay, put your pencil on the dot, come down and down. Then go around. P. Dear kids, you have to complete this page by yourself, neat and clean. Dear kids, do more and more practice at your home. Stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.